original TAMPOPRINT.
Hallo, mein Name ist Dietmar Scholz.
Hello, my name is Dietmar Schultz, and I am at TAMPOPRINT GmbH, responsible for sales of automations and standard machines. Today, I will show you the Module 1M, our small automation concept, which is based on standardized components. The Module 1M is a semi-automatic machine as modular system and is considered as an individually configurable and universally suitable solution, with the following advantages: short delivery times, user-friendliness, simple handling, flexible use, easy to maintain, robotic interface option, multicolor printing, print accuracy 0.15 millimeters, durable modular system, space saving. The Module 1M semi-automatic is operated by manual insertion, used for simpler applications, and can be operated by one user or robot at up to 800 cycles per hour, with up to 3 print colors, in the sizes 60, 90, and 130 millimeters. The central element of the Module 1M concept is a base frame that can be flexibly equipped with up to 3 machine satellites. Pad printing machines from the HERMETIC and sealed ink cup series or laser systems are available for this purpose. The remaining positions can be freely equipped with, for example, intermediate drying, IR drying, or camera systems, as well as laser components. The machines are installed on satellites, which are attached to the base frame. Depending on the size of the machine, a separate satellite is used, ideal for a wide range of applications, among others, for electrical components like displays, covers, or fuse switches, automotive components like ISOFIX, day and night design, or circuit covers, home applications like scales on kitchen appliances, rice stoves, or irons, sanitary parts like taps and shower heads, optics and measurement objects in the area of water, gas, or oil meters that require marking, toy parts like Playmobil, figures, blocks, models, and small wheels. In the medical sector, individual solutions are offered through a combination of print and laser for reagent tubes and many more. With a more than convincing quality, offers the Module 1M a reliable and stable marking process. Give us a call, write us an email. Let's talk about your product together and find the perfect solution. Thank you very much.
Vielen Dank.
Technologies for your future.